Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. So we all know it, we are going for a walk and we think it's embarrassing to go carrying around this bottle of wine. So from now on you can crochet this wine bottle holder and it makes it very easy to carry the wine beside us. Just like I'm carrying this glass, which I have crochet a holder for in another tutorial, but in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet this one. And you will begin from the bottom. It's very easy to do, and you will just expand until it fills the whole bottom. Then you will crochet up along the edges, and then you'll just stop when it fits your bottle. So you can carry multiple bottles when you're walking around. It's very cool. So let's begin. A little about the materials for the yarn. I've used this 100% cotton yarn in a lightweight 3. I will crochet with this double, so I will put 2 strands together and crochet as one. You can use a medium weight 4 instead and don't put it doubled. But I will use a lightweight 3 and put it double in a very white color. Then I've used a 4mm crochet hook, some scissors, and a tapestry needle. When we begin, I want to put the yarn double because I'm crocheting double-stranded, but I won't be using 2 skeins. I will simply take the outer strand from the outside of the skein and then the inside. So put them together and crochet as one. I will begin with a slip knot. Like so. Then I will chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I will connect them. So in the first chain over here, I will do a slip stitch. So insert the hook in the first chain you did, both strands like this, yarn over, pull through, pull through. So now you have this little circle with a center in the middle. I don't know if you can see this center. There is supposed to be a little gap, which will be very important because you will be crocheting into this little gap. So now you see this little gap in the middle, and we will pretend that this is a stitch. First, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we will do a double crochet into this center. So yarn over and insert the hook into the center of this gap. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through, 2. Yarn over, pull through, 2. So now you made a double crochet. We will do another double crochet into the same center in here. So you yarn over, insert the hook into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over, pull through, 2. So now you have 2 double crochet and the 3 chains. The 3 chains we started with counts as 1 double crochet, so now you actually have 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. We will continue doing double crochets into this center until we have 10 double crochet in total. So you just continue, yarn over, insert the hook into the center again, and double crochet. So now you have 4 double crochet. Continue until you have 10 double crochet into this center. Now we have 10 double crochet and we will now connect them. And you see this top chain over here. This is the 3 chains we started with. This is the top one. We will slip stitch into this. So just insert the hook into the top chain and slip stitch. So the circle is complete. Now you chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and this chain 3 counts as the first double crochet, which is on top of this first double crochet from down here. On this round we will do 2 double crochet in each stitch. So if this was the first double crochet, we will do another double crochet into this stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook again, and finish your double crochet. So now we have 2 double crochet. Then you find your next stitch right here, do 2 double crochet into this stitch, so yarn over, insert the hook, and double crochet. That's 1 double crochet. Do another double crochet into the same stitch. So that's 2 double crochets, so now we have 4 double crochet in total. Continue all the way around with 2 double crochet in each stitch. And then you have 20 double crochet in the round. Then we will do a slip stitch in the top chain again. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, oops, and then we completed the round. Then we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and again in the first stitch we will do another double crochet. So we have 2 double crochet in the first stitch. Then in the next stitch, this one, we will only do 1 double crochet into this. So just 1 double crochet in the next. And then in the next one we will do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So insert the hook and double crochet, and then do another double crochet in the same stitch. And then you continue all the way around with 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, then 1, then 2, then 1, then 2, then switch between 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 all the way around. And then we're at 30 stitches in total. Then we connect with a slip stitch on top in the top chain, and then we chain 3, 1, 2, 3. You can measure the bottom of your bottle. If it fits your bottle right now, you can just skip this next round if you don't want it to be any wider. But I always need a big bottle of wine. No, I'll just show you how to do it with a big bottle like I'm doing today. So in the first one, I will do another double crochet. And then in the next 2 stitches, I will only do 1 double crochet. So 1 double crochet in the next, and in the next 1 double crochet, and then in the next 2 double crochet. So 2 double crochet, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, so on until you are all the way at the end. And then after this round we have 40 double crochet. Then we join with a slip stitch on top, and then we have the bottom. Now we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this one counts as the first double crochet. Then we will chain another 2, so 1, 2, and then we will skip the next 2 stitches, so this one, and then we will do a double crochet into this third stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook in the third stitch, and double crochet. Then we chain 2, 1, 2, then we skip the next 2, so this one, and then we do a double crochet in the third. So yarn over, skip, skip, and then in this one, double crochet. And then chain 2, and skip, skip, and double crochet in the third. Continue like this all the way around. Chain 2, skip 2, double crochet all the way around. And then you have a row looking like this with all these little squares all the way around. You have this little gap right now, and you have this next one coming. You will finish off with 2 chains, and then you will do a double crochet directly into this next gap. So you just yarn over and insert the hook into the gap and double crochet. So you just continued and made a new little gap right here and continued with this one. So you just did a double crochet into this gap Now you chain 2, 1, 2, and then you find your next gap. This one you already crocheted in, so you find your next gap over here. You insert the hook into this and double crochet. Then you chain 2, 1, 2, then find your next gap over here. Remember, you just did one in this one. Now you do a double crochet into this. So yarn over, insert the hook into the gap, and double crochet. So now you continue with your second round of these mesh gaps things. I will just turn this right now so I have the right side out as I'm crocheting. So I will just continue with chain 2, 1, 2, and then a double crochet in the next gap, and then continue with 1 double crochet in each gap with 2 chains in between. Now when you did the number you did right here with not finishing the round, just continuing in the next gap, you will continue in spirals from now on. So you will just continue with a chain 2, then a double crochet, then chain 2, double crochet, and you will continue all the way around. Also, when you make it past this one, you will just continue in these gaps with chain 2 in between, and then just 1 double crochet in each gap, around and around in spirals until you don't like this mesh part to go any further. I continued until it is here. You can leave it here or you can make it go even further. That's totally up to you. Now I will take it off this bottle again. And finish it off. So I will insert my hook again, and then I will finish it. So I will finish with 2 chains, just like between all the other gaps. And then in this next one here, I will do a single crochet. So insert the hook into this gap and single crochet. And then do another 2 single crochet in this same gap. So 1 single crochet and another single crochet, so we have 3 single crochet in this gap. Then I will move on to this next gap, insert the hook and single crochet. And another 2 single crochet, so I have 3 single crochet in total. That's 3. So we are making a little stronger edge up here than just these chains over here. So 3 single crochet in each gap all the way around. When we're all the way around, I will finish with a slip stitch in this next single crochet. So just insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and then we will begin the string in which we will carry this little bag. I will do a remaining cord to carry it in. So I will chain 1 and chain another one, and then in this first chain we have this first chain right here. We will do a single crochet into this. So insert the hook in the first chain and single crochet. Now we have this little loop down here. We have the stitch up here and we have this little loop just before it. I will turn a little bit and insert the hook into this little loop. We have 2 strands of yarn in this little loop. Just push the hook in and single crochet. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2. So now we have this little loop down here. We will always have a little loop below the stitch. So we have the stitch up here and this little loop down here. And because we are crocheting double-stranded, we will have a loop of 4 strings down here. 4 strands of yarn. We will insert the hook through all 4 strands of yarn and single crochet. So yarn over, pull through all 4, keep it loose, yarn over, pull through. And then we have the little loop down here again. So we will insert the hook through all 4 strands of yarn and single crochet. Whoops. Yarn over, pull through. The important thing with this is to keep it loose. It's very tricky to go through all these strands if it's too tight. So find your little loop down here, push the hook through all 4 strands, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. If you think this is going too fast, I have another tutorial on how to do a Romanian cord, where I'm going a little slower so you are able to follow every step. But you will just continue doing single crochet into this little loop. Just continue, push in the hook through all 4 and single crochet. And remember to keep it loose. It's the key word, keep it loose. Then you just continue until you like the length of your strap. And then when you feel it's long enough, I've made mine 118 centimeters. You decide how long you want yours. Then you cut the yarn, leave some for sewing, and then pull this loop through with the hook and find your tapestry needle, thread it with this excess thread, and then you will find the opposite side of this bottle holder over there, and then attach this one to the opposite side and sew it on with the tapestry needle. And then when both straps are attached, you can grab your bottle and put it in. And then you're ready to go. And you have your arms free. So that's it. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!